Bathing is a natural part of our life, but who says it has to be boring? That's why people started buying bath bombs to make it more fun. So we decided to make some of our own. Here's how.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs.
Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts. To make the bath bombs, we used
Epsom salt,
which is used to ease aches and pains in the body,
baking soda,
which adds to the fizz,
citric acid,
which reacts with the baking soda to create the fizz,
arrowroot powder,
or cornstarch, which helps hold the bath bomb together,
coconut oil,
or any oil that stays solid at room temperature to help bind the materials.
a few bowls,
At least one should be microwavable.
a spoon to mix,
The optional ingredients are,
a mold,
instead of using your hands to shape the bath bomb,
vitamin E oil,
because it's good for your skin,
almond oil,
also good for your skin,
essential oil,
because it smells nice,
food color,
to make the bath bomb more fun, and if you're making it for a kid, you could also use.
a toy.
We started off by gathering equal quantities of all the dry ingredients, which are arrowroot powder, baking soda, Epsom salt, and citric acid. We added it all into one bowl to make it easier to mix. Mixed together, we got about 1 cup of all the dry ingredients. We put 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil into a separate cup. Then we added 1 teaspoon of almond oil. We microwaved it until the coconut oil had melted. Then we added that to our dry ingredients. Next, we added a few drops of vitamin E oil. Then we added some Lavender Essential Oil. Then we mixed the ingredients. Once you're done mixing, you need to make sure that there's enough moisture to keep the bath bomb firm. Take a spoonful and press it into your hand firmly like so. If it keeps its shape, even after you've taken it out of the spoon, then you're good to go. For this bath bomb, we used a toy in the middle. We put the toy in the center and then we started filling up the mold. Sorry about the bad camera angle, but it's important to firmly pack the bath salts into the mold if you want it to keep its shape. We closed the lid tightly and then put it into the freezer for about half an hour. And these are the 2 bath bombs we made. The small one we used just our hands. We didn't use a mold, though a mold definitely made it easier. And here's the one we made with the mold. After messing up a few times, we realized it was crucial to oil the mold. That way the bath bomb comes out much easier and with less chance of breaking. Now it's time to try them out. When you put the bath bomb in the water, the baking soda and citric acid react with each other and create this beautiful fizz. And here are some tips and tricks. The first is to press the mixture into the mold firmly. If you don't, it'll still fizz, but it won't hold its shape. It'll be more like bath salts than bath bombs. Our next tip is to crush the crystals. If your citric acid is clustered, then it's best to crush them with your spoon so it's easier to mix. Next is to add enough oil. If the mixture is not moist enough, the bomb won't hold its shape. And our last tip is to oil the mold. That way, the bomb will come out much easier.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!